Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to deploy a Google AI Studio app on Netlify. Alright, let's begin. First, access Google AI Studio and ensure your application is finalized and tested. Once your project is ready, you will need to export the code to your repository. To do this, click the share icon at top right corner and then scroll to GitHub. Inside, log in to link your GitHub profile. This action instantly exports your application files into a dedicated online project repository. Next, open your browser and navigate to netlify.com to log into your account. If you do not have one, you can sign up for a free tier profile. From your main Netlify dashboard, locate and click the Add a New Site button. Then choose the option to import an existing project from a Git provider. Select GitHub from the list and grant Netlify authorization to view your account data. Once your profiles are connected, search the list and click on the repository containing your exported AI Studio code. Review the default build configurations provided by the platform, then click the Deploy Site button. Netlify will compile your files in the background and generate a live URL. You can use your dashboard to change the default project name or link a custom domain. So that's basically how you can deploy a Google AI Studio app on Netlify. That's it for this video. Thanks!